In this video, we are to talk about the analysis of variance. The analysis of variance is a statistical model or is a collection of statistical models used to analyze differences between group means and variations between and among different groups. Now, to analyze the analysis of variance, we have to put it in the form of ANOVA table. So we'll be talking about one-way ANOVA table. The one-way ANOVA table. One-way ANOVA. So the first thing to write the one-way ANOVA table, the first thing we write is the source of variation. The source of variation. We also have the sum of squares. We have degrees of freedom. We have the mean square. And we have the F statistics. So these are the things we have. The next thing to do is to rule our line. For the source of variation, we have the treatments. We have the treatments. We also have the error. So this is between the groups, and this is within the groups. Then we have our total. So for sums of square, we have sums of square treatment, sum of square error, and we have sum of square total. For degrees of freedom, for the sums of square, we have k minus 1. For the sum of square error, we have n minus k. And for the total, we have n minus 1. So here we have the mean square error for treatment, mean square treatment. Sorry, here we have mean square error and mean square error. While here we have the F statistics. The F statistics is equal to the mean square treatment all over mean square error. That is how it is gotten. So we have to define all of these parameters. We have to define all of these parameters. The first we define, we take K. K is equal to number of groups. Number of groups. N, number of sample size. N is equal to number of sample size. Number of sample size. The next thing we have to do is to define this sums of square treatment. So we'll define the sum of square treatment. The sum of square treatment is equal to summation of as j running from 1 to p is equal to nj into x j minus x bar squared. This is the ground mean. The next thing we'll find is the sum of square error. The next thing we'll find is the sum of square error. The sum of square error is equal to or can be calculated as summation of as j running from 1 to p, summation of as I running from 1 to n into xij minus the grand mean squared. So this time the mean is just j. That is how it is calculated. The next thing we have is the sum of square total. The sum of square total is equal to summation of as j running from 1 to p, sum as I running from 1 to n into xij minus the mean square. So this is how we can get the sum of square treatment, the sum of square error, and the sum of square total. Now, even if we have sum of square treatment and sum of square error, the sum of square total, the sum of square total can be calculated as sum of square treatment plus sum of square error. That means to get this, we can add this and this to get this. Yes. Now, the mean square. The mean square can be gotten as the mean square treatment. The mean square treatment can be gotten as sum of square treatment all over k minus 1. That is the degree of freedom, which is calculated as sum of square treatment all over k minus 1. We have defined k. K is the number of groups. Also, the mean square error is calculated as the sum of square error, divided by n minus k. So we have sum of square error all over n minus k. So that is how we can get the mean square error. Now, the next thing is the F statistics. How do we obtain the F statistics? The F statistics is equal to the values for mean square treatment all over the value for mean square error. So this is just how we can calculate the analysis of variance for one-way ANOVA table. So we can call this one-way ANOVA table. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.